TikTok unfollowers. Find with these easy steps. It's simple, all in one place.
First, go to TikTok settings and privacy and then account.
Download your data.
Select data to download. Choose custom.
Select profile and posts and click done.
Click request data.
It takes a minute or two to get ready. Download it when it is ready.
Click send code and check WhatsApp or email.
Enter the code and continue.
Your download starts automatically. Click open and extract.
Or, go to File Manager and extract the downloaded file.
Open the TikTok app.
Click Follower List and select follower.txt.
Click Following List and select following.txt.
Click Analyze and you will get all unfollowers here.
Click on each result and it redirects to TikTok.
Make your following clean. App is available in Oppo App Market India, Russia and on many regions.
Change phone settings to these region if you did not see the app. Ask your friend if you do not have an Oppo mobile.
Thank you for watching.